adopted cat that lives 2 houses down that always comes and visits and says hi.
You gonna attack the squirrels? I already saw you doing it earlier.
There's a bird that's attacking my cat.
There it is. There's that bird that's attacking the cat. They didn't see the cat. They went right up in front of it.
Found a quick little gig job, and I'm already not looking forward to going to it. I'm thinking about not going to it. It's Thursday and Friday. First day, 10 p.m. to 6. Next day, midnight to 9. I'm hoping I could just kind of hang out and, like, I don't even know what to do. Maybe if I get like a chair to sit on, but why not? It's $300, and I kind of don't want to, but I kind of do want to, because I gotta make a little bit of extra money. I already told myself I'm not going, but I know that I am gonna go. That being said, I need to find another like quick little gig here and there to try to make a little extra bucks before I go back to actual work and get back to my days on, 2 weeks on, 1 week off. But those hours are horrible, dude. I hate them. It really messes up your sleep pattern. You do 2 weeks on days, get a week off, and then go 2 weeks on nights. And then you repeat that over and over and over. Well, forever. For as long as you stay at that job. There's no such thing as only day shifts or only night shifts. You have to switch back and forth. I don't know, man. I'm really thinking about getting a different job. Probably won't pay as much, but who cares? I could just save up and but in the meantime, I'm gonna keep doing these little videos. What's a funny little cat? I like that cool cat. I think it's giving me allergies though. I can't tell. Maybe, it might not be, because I woke up with like itchy eyes before I even, today, and in the past, I've played with that cat and pet it, and I didn't get itchy, so I'm guessing it's just the weather that's changing up, that's getting to me. I had my itchy eyes in the morning before I even saw the cat today. But I like that cat. It's a cool cat. I tried to rhyme right there. I don't know how to rhyme. I'm going to Walmart. I'm going to buy me a cool little, they have a nice little area with cool little bags of snacks. I was also planning on going to the gym. You guys see that smear in the middle? That means I need some new windshield wipers. You see how dirty those windows were? They've been like that for a while, so AutoZone was on the way. And look what I got. New wipers. I'll be able to clean it up. It's been raining a lot lately, so I definitely need them. And those old ones weren't working too well anyway. I mean, those old ones weren't working too well anymore, and they gotta get switched out. They told me to stop working out, and I figured I'm just gonna try to take it easy on that. I'm gonna just stop going to the gym, let my body heal, let it heal. I hate my sister. I can't stand her, dude. I can't stand her, dude. That was a joke. I'm just kidding. Can't stand her, dude. Summer, you dumb bitch. Any day, every new day, that pain starts going away just little by little, little by little. And you know, anytime soon, sometime soon, I'll be good to go, back to 100%, ready to just start working how, like normal, like how, you know. I'm hoping that sometime soon, my body start recovering, and I'll be fully recovered and ready to go, ready to work. Cause all this waking up with pain stuff it's not for me, man. But yes, that's just one of the good things that's been happening to me lately. So now on top of that, I got new wipers. I bought me some snacks. I'd never buy these. Literally never. But they were right next to these, and I was like, the white fudge. I like macadamia nut cookies, so I was like, maybe that's similar to that. So I bought them. I wanted to try them.